Um, we have completed the image site for Sky Aero, and this is a quick video just to go through some points to note when reviewing the image site. Okay, so at this stage, all the different pages are designed. Okay, and you can click on these links to go to the various pages. And the main objective at this stage is to really review and let us know of any design changes, any layout changes, navigation changes, and general content changes. Okay, so that's the main objective at this stage. But essentially, every page is like a big image. So most of the internal links, they don't work. For instance, like configure your crane, it doesn't work right now. Okay, and neither do these two images. They don't work, or the read more link. Once we've moved on to the next and final stage, which is the conversion to HTML, then all these things will be made to work. Okay, so once all the design and layout is confirmed, then we'll move on to making all these internal things work to the final working website. All right. So another thing to note is that this slideshow, the images are taken from the current Vala website. So if you find that there are some issues with the resolution, I think it looks a little bit blurrish. Please do provide us with the correct, with the good images. And of course, all these are just, we don't exactly know which products will be best to showcase. So just let us know what images to showcase, and then we can replace these for you. All right. So at this stage, you can definitely go, the navigation here, it does work. So you can go to the About Us page. Okay. So you can review what this page looks like. The products, so right now we have the electric, diesel, and secondhand cranes. Okay, secondhand cranes, we didn't do the page for it, but I think that the idea is just to say that Sky Aero does have secondhand cranes, and to contact you for information. Okay, so do let me know if that's. For the electric cranes, like I said, because at this stage it is really to review the design and layout and the navigation. So basically, you can click here, the electric cranes, the electric battery operated cranes, and you will see this. And the diesel, if you click on diesel, it will have the same navigation and layout as this one. Okay, so we didn't do the design for that because if this works for you, then we will roll out the same design layout for the diesel one. And if this has changes, then whatever changes is applied to this page would also apply to the diesel page. Okay, so on the real actual website, all these links of course will work. Right now they don't work. Okay, and all this site navigation on the actual website will also work. Okay, so for right now, how to get to see the products is only through the drop-down list. And we've only made it for the 20 TRX because obviously all the other cranes will have a similar layout as the 20 TRX. So when you click on the 20 TRX, you're going to see this image, and then you're going to see the information here. And then when you click on View Brochure, okay, right now we didn't do it, but the View Brochure, when you click on it, it will have the PDF just pop up here. Okay, and then you can print and do whatever, save it or whatever that you want to do with a PDF document. All right, so that's the products. And like I said, the diesel will have a similar layout as the electric battery operated cranes. So the next to move on to is the applications and customers. So when you click on applications and customers, you will see this taken from the brochure. And right now we only made the high maneuverability works. So only this one works. So when you go to this, it will show this. But on the actual website, all the different applications in the brochure will be listed on your website. So there is a lot of content for this website. Okay, so all these things will work. You can navigate by the side menu, or you can navigate by the drop-down menu. So right now these links, they don't work yet. Excuse me. And then the next one is case studies. Case studies, same thing. We've made the first one viewable so that you can see the design and layout of it. Okay, and then the rest will follow very closely to this page, so they don't work yet. And then finally, we have contact us. Okay, so on the final website, definitely this inquiry form will work as well. Okay, so it's very important that at this stage, you let us know of any design changes, any navigation changes, and definitely any layout changes. Things like the changes that can be left till the third stage. Of course, the sooner you know your content, the better it is. But the inside content here is very easy for us to change. Okay, but maybe you want to change, you don't like this layout and things like that. This one is still not so bad because this is within the main content area. But the ones that are like this, so maybe you don't like how this works. You don't like this, the way this is being laid out. This is very important to let us know at this stage, okay, before the conversion to HTML. All right, feel free to let me know of any questions that you have, and thank you for taking the time to review this.